Dad, already.
Ready? Here we go.
O.
O is for orange. Orange.
Oh look, there's an orange growing on a tree because oranges grow on trees like most fruit.
Fruits grow on trees.
That's right.
Someone is picking an orange from a tree.
That girl is picking an orange from the tree, that's right.
And his dad is holding him up.
Her, that's a girl.
Her dad is holding her up.
That's right.
And he got it.
Yeah, she got it.
He's getting another one.
Getting another one. Oh, she's good at picking oranges. Now we're going to squeeze the orange.
He's squeezing the orange juice out, Dad.
All right, here we go.
Yeah.
Do you want to help me?
Yeah.
Look at that lovely orange juice. What color is that orange juice?
Orange. They're eating the oranges. They like oranges.
What are they doing now?
Drinking the juices.
Oh, this is a sunset. And sunset is the color what?
Orange.
That's right. So orange is a color as well as a fruit.
Yeah.
That's a rainbow. There are 7 colors in a rainbow, and orange is one of the colors in the rainbow, isn't it? And these are koi car,
Koi car.
and they're orange.
Yeah. Oh, it's for orange. Orange.
O is for oven. Oven.
Wow, what's that?
Something is gingerbread man's in the oven. They are baked now.
Yeah, looks like they're ready. What's he doing here? Looks like he's checking the temperature. He's got a thermometer, and he's checking the temperature.
It's not ready yet. He's checking if the pie is done. It's not done.
It's not done, so you put it back in. This is a wood-burning oven. Looks like there's a pizza or something in there.
That's a pizza oven.
There's another oven for making pizza. That one's electric though. Do you like pizza?
Yeah.
Is it yummy delicious? And that's bread. Look, they're baking bread in the oven. See, it's a very big oven.
It's in a bakery. Oh, it's for oven. Oven.
O is for oil. Oil.
They take oil out. They pump oil out of the ground.
That's right, they do. And what are they called?
Oil pumpers.
Yes, they're actually called nodding donkeys.
These are nodding donkeys because they look a bit like donkeys.
This is petrol going into a car. You make petrol from the oil that you pump out of the ground.
Yeah.
Now, this is a different kind of oil. This is a chef.
This is cooking oil.
That's right, cooking oil. The chef is putting vegetables in.
It's a restaurant chef.
And this is called an essential oil or a natural oil. It comes from plants usually.
It's dropping down the leaf.
Yeah, and into
Taking a long time.
yeah, and it's dropping down into a jar.
Oil dropping from a leaf
Yeah,
into a jar.
that's right. And then they can make cosmetics and perfume and oils to put in your bath that smell nice. So there's 3 different types of oil.
Some that put on hands, some for cars,
For cooking.
and some for cooking. Oh, it's for oil. Oil.
O is for orangutan. Orangutan.
Look, here's some.
That's an orangutan. Looks like he's in the forest. That's where they live. Actually, they live in places like Borneo, and that's near Malaysia where Mama comes from.
Orangutan is a funny monkey. monkey.
Yeah, they're the closest relatives to humans, actually. Look at his long arms, very strong, hanging from that vine. Oh, look, here's a male orangutan hanging. You see, they've got very big arms. They're very strong. And there's a little one. There's a family of them.
Orangutan. Orangutan.